If you want to add widgets on lock screen on the Motorola Edge 70 Fusion, then first of all we need to open settings. Over here in settings we're gonna scroll down a little bit and then you want to go to personalize. And here in the settings we should be able to go to the lock screen. In here tap on the lock screen to start customizing it, and then here you will find these circles. These are the spots for widgets. So you can tap on any of these spots in order to add one of these available widgets. For example, we can add the alarm over here. Some widgets of course take 2 spaces, some take just 1. Let's say I'm gonna also add the temperature over here and maybe the battery information, let's say. And there we go. Then we can tap anywhere outside of this panel in order to close it. Then tap again on the lock screen to stop customizing, and you can tap on this check in the upper right corner in order to save your changes, and then you should be able to have your widgets. And if you want to remove something, you can of course tap on these widgets, and then you can just tap again on one of these options that are already added, essentially, to just exclude them. So that's it. Leave a like and subscribe.